Hello, my loves. It's your girl, Bria Janae, the owner of Intuitive Wellness Wellness and the Estie's Corner. And today, I just wanted to come on here very briefly and let all of my Estie Besties know that I am hosting an Estie exam prep workshop. For those of you who are about to take your practicals in September and you have questions that need to be answered, you have doubts, you have fears, or you don't even have your kit prepared yet, this workshop is for you. Your ticket is going to include a full prepped bag. So you're going to have your duffel bag, your mannequin head, your towels, the labels, everything, your disposable gloves, everything that you need for your exam, you are going to have with this ticket. It's also going to come with a group chat access so that everyone in that cohort, everyone that joins that workshop, we're all going to be in that one group chat. And you can ask any questions, we can hype each other up. There's just going to be community support. You also have access to me, one-on-one access. You can text me at any time. I will hop on a phone call with you anytime, answer any questions that you may have. To wear, what to bring, when to pull out certain items. Then we're also going to do a full exam as if you were taking the exam on state board day, and that is why I'm keeping it very intimate, limiting it to 12 tickets so that it really mimics that exam experience. So if this is something that you're interested in, tickets are only $160. It's on my website. You can purchase your tickets at theestiescorner.com. If you have questions about the tickets or anything like that, you can email me at support@theestiescorner.com before you purchase your tickets. I'm really excited about this. I do want to try to do this once a month. So starting in September, this will be the first one, probably the only one in September. So if you're taking your test in the beginning of September, the end of September, the middle of September, this will probably really be amazing for you. And I'll do one in October, November, December, etc. so that you don't have to feel pressured to take it now if you're not taking your test until October. You can wait until October and just plan around that. And I'll also try to do it the first week of each month, or the first or second week of each month. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can comment down below, or you can email me. For a while the kits have been sold out. It's really because I have been moving. I was in the process of moving, and I just personally, I don't like when people get their things late. I'm a stickler for that. I want you to get your kits on time. So I took all of the kits off of the website because I was in the process of moving, but now I am settled and I'm ready to start producing kits again. So if you need just the exam kit and you are okay with watching the YouTube videos and you do not need to come to the workshop, that is completely fine. I have the kit available with no duffel bag for $95. You get everything included, everything that you need for the exam minus the duffel bag. And then I have the kit with the duffel bag for $120. Like I said, that one is already prepared for you, a full kit, duffel bag, everything, $120. And then you can also still book your free one-on-one calls with me if that's something that you're interested in. Then we have the workshop, like I said, which is $160, full kit with a lot of access, benefits, questions, and refreshments will be provided because I like you guys and I want you guys to feel supported, loved, and refreshed. Okay, so I'm so excited for you guys. I'm so excited. Congratulations in advance to anyone taking their exam, and I will see you guys soon. And once again, you can go to theestiescorner.com to purchase your workshop tickets. See you soon, Esties.